So if I start from the beginning, add a plan. I'm going to start from just a square room just for kind of ease for this video. My kitchen, as you'll see in one of the other videos, we've got quite a long kitchen wall here. So it's something like 6, 7, 20 millimeters. And if I enter that dimension, what you'll see is that the walls essentially grow out to make space for it. However, if I now go to change another wall without locking, if I increase the width of this wall, for example, that's going to push out the dimensions of the walls that I have just done. So instead, what you want to do is when you enter your dimension, you want to hit this lock button here and save. And what that does is that wall is now locked in its position. The ends of it, the corners are locked as well. So anything you do to this wall, so from memory, I think this is, yeah, it's 2 meters 5'10" wide. That's going to push out in this direction. You can then lock that wall when you're happy, and you can drag your corners around as usual. Nothing's going to change the walls that you've locked. I think we're at 3, 2 down here. So again, if I go to enter the dimension and lock, that's that wall done. And then I want to add a corner because we've got something like, I actually don't have the measurement handy for this one, but it's something like that there. And then this here. And now you can lock these corners as well, or the walls themselves. And now all of my walls are locked in place. So nothing's going to happen by accident when I'm editing on my phone or my iPad, for example. But also that just means that if you're adjusting any dimensions, you're really in control of kind of what you're going to change.